Our group is specialized in the use of metal complexes for biological and medicinal application. The goal is really to use the specific properties of metal complexes, meaning compounds which contain a metal ion or metals, in order to get new drug candidates or new probes for biology. So our group has 4 main topics, meaning that we are first working, for example, on new anti-cancer drug candidates. So we are really preparing new metal complexes with the aim actually to kill cancer cells specifically, meaning that we kill only the cancer cell and not the healthy cells. The second project is the use of metal complexes in radioimaging. We want actually to diagnose patients with our metal complexes. The third project is where we have the most PhD students. It is related to PDT, photodynamic therapy. It is a technique, a medical technique, which is approved, which uses light in combination with a photosensitizer to kill cancer cells or bacteria. And in the group, several PhD students are working on this topic by synthesizing and by characterizing new photosensitizer based on metal complexes. The last topic we are working on is to prepare drug candidates against schistosomiasis. Schistosomiasis is a tropical parasitical disease which is extremely prevalent in the world. It is the second most prevalent disease in the world, parasitic disease after malaria. What we are currently doing is to derivatize known organic drugs with organometallic compounds. And the goal is really to overcome the resistance observed with organic compounds. And we have successfully, for example, unveiled a compound which can indeed cross the resistance observed with organic compounds. We are here in the synthetic room of our laboratory where we all prepare the compounds that we want afterwards to analyze. Once the compounds are prepared, we need to characterize them. And before characterizing them, we need to be sure that they are pure, or if they are not pure, we need to purify them. That's why we have recently bought an HPLC apparatus which allows us not only to purify the compound, but also to analyze if they are pure or not. Once they are pure, we are able to go to Chimie Paritech to use different apparatus which are present, like an NMR or a mass spectrometer, which will give us the identity of the compounds that we have prepared. 2 important rooms in our labs are really the biological labs, where we are able to see if the compounds that we have synthesized are potent or not. We have a special room when we can use cancer cells, and another room when we are doing more biochemistry experiments. We can, for example, see the metabolism of the cancer cell upon or without our compound, and we can see if the compounds are really affecting the cancer cells.